Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking and trying to watch it. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Michelle Iyere, and I am doing a new Wednesday series. As everybody knows, Wednesday is for a Woman Crush Wednesday. You post somebody that you like, somebody that you admire, and you just recognize them on social. So for my YouTube channel, every Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by a makeup artist that I admire. For today's Woman Crush Wednesday inspiration, I decided to do a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast. I'm not really sure which one. Her Instagram name is King Edna _. I'm pretty sure everybody has seen her if you are. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and Alright, so y'all know the drill. I always start off by priming my eyes with my concealer, and then I'll just blend that out using my e.l.f. concealer brush. So I took two palettes, the Festival and the Saharan palette from Juvia's place, and the next shade that y'all see is what I used first. And then after that, I used the dark red from the second shade, or the second palette, and I packed that all over my lid. I went in with that pink shade from the Festival palette, and I used that to blend my first color that I put, so it doesn't look too harsh, because it looked a little harsh to me. Then I cut my crease using the peachy pink concealer from LA Pro Girl and an oval shaped brush, and I just pretty much cut my crease halfway through. And then once I cut it halfway through, I don't know what to call that cut crease, but I just dragged the upper cut to the tail of my lid. My crease doesn't look too harsh. I went in with that brush again and just patted that all over my concealer just to give it some type of illusion or whatever. I don't know. I didn't want it to be too harsh, so I just went in with that. I went in with my Morphe 35F Fall into Frost palette, and I took those two pink shimmer shades and applied that to my crease. My original idea was to do a talk through. That's why you see me talking in this video, but there was too much noise going on, so I just decided to mute it and do a voiceover. So apologize if you see my mouth moving too much. It is what it is. I didn't really like where the shimmer was at the corner of that cut crease, so I just went in with my peachy pink concealer and added that on top of the shimmer so it could stand out a little bit more. Put a little eyeliner. I didn't want to wing or anything. I just wanted my lash line to be darker. My full face routine is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I still wasn't satisfied with how this cut crease turned out, so I just went in and added NYX glitter, and I think I liked it a lot more. I hope y'all made it to the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of this Woman Crush Wednesday series. And please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate and love you guys. Mwah.